Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A story of a big thief and devil countess conspiracy and a prime minister running around in a petty field and a worldly lover and a witch. A king of Atkura means unfertile and a transgender minister. Respected the people of Bangladesh and those who are listening today. I am going to tell a political story about Bangladesh. একজন ধান খেতে দৌড়ানো প্রধানমন্ত্রী এবং একজন আটকুড়া বাসার জীবনী বলতেছি। জীবন আরো বলেছি, তাই এটা পর্ব আকারে দিতেছে। Sheikh Hasina appointed General Aziz, who was nominated by Sheikh Hasina as the army chief. So after the 2018 elections, Aziz said he had never seen such a good election in his life. Tasnim Khalil and Julkarnain Sayer Sami described Sheikh Hasina's trap by the Al Jazeera's media. All the Prime Minister means an explosive investigation reveals how a criminal going is colluding with the security forces of Bangladesh and has linked to PM Sheikh Hasina. Haris Ahmed, brother of Bangladesh Army Chief Aziz Ahmed, that he can use police and paramilitary units to abduct rebels and earn millions in bribes. The country's military intelligence service has secretly bought spyware from Israel, a country that Bangladesh does not recognize, that can monitors the Prime Minister's political rebels. The one unit involved all those involved in this investigation to respond to our findings. They included Bangladesh Prime Minister, General, Police Commissioner, and all four Ahmed brothers. On the night of July 31, 2020, Major retired Sinha Muhammad Rashid Khan was killed in police firing at Shamlalpur checkpost of Pahad Chora Union of Teknaf, Upazila in Cox's Bazar. The next day, police filed two false cases against at Teknaf police station and one of Ramu police station. Sinha's partner Saidul Islam Sifat was accused in these two cases filed at Teknaf police station. Sinha was other partner Shipra Devnath was made an accused. On August 5, 2020, Sinha's elder sister filed a case against 9 policemen with Cox's Bazar court. On January 31, Judge Muhammad Ismail announced the verdict of the case in the afternoon. Among the 15 accused in the case, 2 are sentenced to death, 6 to life, and 7 acquitted. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.